Hello, how is your project going? Are you planning your vacation? Today I want to talk about one of the steps a little more specifically. In step 8, it's talking about using the scale. So let's have a little review of how to use that scale on your map. Take a look in the lower right-hand corner of your map. And you'll notice there's a scale here. The top is in miles, the bottom is in kilometers. Let's use the miles side. Now, when you look closely, you'll see that here it starts at 0, 50, and 100. This section right here in the middle is the one we want to focus on. If you're choosing to use a ruler, you will notice that if you lined it up, 0 to 100 is exactly 1 inch. And then you can use a ruler to measure the route on your map. For some of you, you might want to take a little sheet of paper. I'm using a Post-it, and I'm going to mark the increments right on here. I'm going to go 0, 50, 100. Then I can take this or my ruler and I can start to find how many miles my route would take. And so if I'm going to follow this pink route, this is one that Catherine did. This is Catherine's map. She's doing this assignment too. If I start here in Manitowoc and I can follow along and I can see that it takes me about to Kenosha is 100 miles. Chicago's another 50, so I'm at 150. And you might want to write these down at certain points along the way, or maybe each place you have a stop. That way, in case you lose track, you won't forget where you are. So for 150, another 100 takes me to Champaign. And you just keep following along your route, and you keep adding up all the numbers until you get to the end. And so this way, hopefully you'll be able to get a fairly accurate estimation of the distance, how many miles it will take to go from your city of origin to your final destination. When you're done, don't forget to check it on your app on your phone, or if you kind of have a zigzaggy route and it's not the most direct route, you might want to go to MapQuest on your Chromebook or on a computer. That way you can put in the specific stops that you plan to have along the route and get a real accurate estimation of your trip. Okay, have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions, okay? Bye, everyone.